everyone, this is Tess. Today we're going to prepare chicken pineapple. This is what we are going to need. We have 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, slices of ginger, 5 slices of ginger, carrots, pineapple, green pepper, and green long chili. It's not spicy. And we have 2 drumsticks of chicken that we marinated. I marinated with a bit of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, black pepper, garlic powder, a bit of salt, and that's it. And we're going to pan fry this until it get a little bit of color. I'm using chicken on the bone, but you can use chicken without the bone if you prefer. But because I prefer chicken on the bone, so I use chicken on the bone. We're just gonna leave this for a while to let it brown on its side. So this is brown. We can add our slices of ginger and the onion and the garlic. And we're going to add fish sauce while we are sauteing this. And we can add a bit of tomato paste into this. I think this is a tablespoon of tomato paste. going to put half a cup of water. And then we put 2 bay leaf, and let's simmer this. Cover it on low flame. We can add all our veggies now, and the pineapple. We'll give it a try. That's nice. I think I like to add a little bit more water. Just a little bit of water. And I'm going to add a bit of oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Not much.
You want me to beat the eggs for you? Huh?
Beat yours.
I beat your ass. Should I use 6 of them? No. Can I use this one?
Hello guys, this is my pineapple chicken. Very easy to make, very quick, and very, very delicious. See? Very colorful as well. Okay.
It was just to me. Sorry. Okay.
Okay guys, this is done.
Thank you guys.
This is done. This is my pineapple chicken. Thank you for watching my blog. I hope you subscribe, comments, and like. Thank you. Bye bye.